Right then, I'm down in Somerset. Set off from the Midlands at 9:30 am. Was in traffic for about 45 minutes. So finally got to start at 2:45. So I'm on Dunkery Beacon. Here we go. So we're on Dunkery Beacon today, and it's the highest point in the Exmoor National Park and the highest point in Somerset as well. It's about 1800 feet, so quite high. There you go then, that's the summit of Dunkery Beacon. It was only about 3/4 of a mile from the car park, so I'm on a 10k circular, but this is the highest point. Nice. Yeah, so that was the summit of Dunkery Beacon. Got the drone out. A bit windy it was, but it held in there, so got a bit of decent footage. So I'm just carrying on with the circular 10k walk now. So as I say, it was under a mile from the trailhead to the summit, Dunkery Beacon. So it's carrying along the trail now. Absolutely chuffed to get away from work for a few days. Booked a couple of days off work. Thought I'd head down to Somerset. Chuffed with the weather. So this is day 1 of 3 for the hiking. I'm doing Dunkery Beacon this afternoon. I'm going to do the first 10 miles of the southwest coastal path tomorrow. And on the way home I'm going to do Glastonbury tour, so I'm going to be loving it. Clear my head, get some lovely fresh air, just can't beat it. I might to do that coastal walk tomorrow, have the weather's like this. It really reminds me of Moley gambling, this does. Similar kind of trick. So I can see another summit up here. Like on that Moley gambling one, he's on about 4 summits I think. Similar terrain and that. There you go. That's the summit of Great Rowbarrow. It's about, I think it's about 80 feet less than Dunkery Beacon. That's Great Rowbarrow. And if you look back there, there's Dunkery Beacon. You wouldn't think it's only 0.7 miles. Seems further, but yeah. Not quite sure what that is, but strange. Oh, look at them red deer there. Look at them red deer. Look at them deer there. Amazing. Yeah, so we're seeing all them red deer back there. Beautiful. It's an SSSI this, which means Special Site of Scientific Interest. You get a lot of red deer, kestrels, various other animals and birds. Beautiful. Amazing views there. And the ocean there. Very beautiful. Yeah, so Dunkery Beacon, it was donated to the National Trust actually, like you said on the sign at the summit. A guy called Thomas Ackland, a generous guy, donated like over 500 acres of it, the Dunkery Beacon, to the National Trust many years ago. Yeah, 5 mile there, about a mile to go. That's where we come from, a mile in. summit of Dunkery Beacon up there. So we've done just a big loop really, it's a 10k loop. About half a mile left, that's the 10k. So coming towards the end of the trail now, I can see my car just up there. So that was a Dunkery Beacon circular. Of a cracking hike, always is though, wherever you go. So that was Dunkery Beacon. I'm staying over anyway tonight, for a couple of nights at Porlock where your campsite. So I'll catch you in a bit. That's home for the next 2 nights. Absolutely superb. Not too bad, is it? Go out for a view from a campsite. Certainly stunning. Chili con carne and rice, beautiful. Absolutely lovely that was. Ah, so nice. Alright, that's it then. I'm in my tent and it's only about 9:15, but I'll just relax a bit, watch the sun go down a little bit outside, and that's the end of Dunkery Beacon. So see you next time guys. Nice, God bless. One potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, gills potato. I've lost the plot now.
Thank you.